How to reset your Nest Mini. Now, resetting your Nest Mini is actually quite a fairly simple process. Maybe you want to factory reset it for any of the other reasons. First thing, turn it on, make sure it's plugged into the power cable so that it doesn't turn off in between. Now to reset it, just hold your finger towards the center of this nest. So just hold your finger like this. Once you've done that, it will actually hold. It will give us a warning. So you can see this.
Completely reset this device. Release to cancel.
So you can see it says release to cancel, but we don't want to release until all the 4 slots have been filled. And as when you hear that ringing sound, now you can release your fingers. It'll take around 1 minute to factory reset it, and you'll also hear a message saying that it has completely factory reset it, and you can use the Google Home app to set it up again. And that's how you can reset your Google Nest Mini, and I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.